Welcome to our channel. Canceling your Paramount Plus subscription is straightforward when you know where to look. This tutorial covers all the steps to successfully terminate your account. Step 1. Log in to your Paramount Plus account through their website using your email and password. Step 2. Click on your account icon or profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your subscription management page. Step 4. Scroll down to the subscription section where you'll find details about your current plan and billing cycle. Step 5. Look for and click the Cancel Subscription button. It's typically located near your subscription details. Step 6. Paramount Plus may present retention offers such as discounted rates or pausing your subscription. Consider these options if you're interested. Step 7. Confirm your cancellation by following the on-screen prompts. Be aware that access will continue until your current billing period ends. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from Paramount Plus verifying your cancellation. Save this email for future reference in case of billing issues. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.